Hello, in this video I will show you how to design a logo with AI. So it's a very easy process and the AI that we're going to use is Midjourney. Now the process is extremely easy. All you need to do is just simply get the Midjourney subscription and then just simply go to the Midjourney bot, which you will find in the newbie section over here. Or if you don't want to create your logo in the general Midjourney section, you can just simply add the Midjourney bot to your own server. Create your own server and just simply invite Midjourney bot to your server by clicking on the Midjourney bot over here, then add app, then select server, then select the server name, then click on continue, then click on authorize, then select this box. Now wait for a few seconds and the bot is now in your own server. So go to that particular server and then you will be able to see your Midjourney bot. Now to create logos, all you have to do is first just simply hit backslash on your keyboard, then enter imagine, and now just simply write a prompt, and the prompt will be describing what type of logo you want, what is the name of your company and all of that. So just simply enter the prompt over here. So this is the type of logo that I want. I want a logo for an event management company, and the logo style should be minimalistic, bold, flat and vector. And in the end, just simply enter the name of your company and then just simply hit enter. And now wait for the results. Now, if you like any of the logos, you can just simply upscale them, or if you don't like any of them, just simply redo the entire thing by choosing this option. And then just simply keep on redoing it until you like any of the options, or you can also try to play around with the prompts and see which works for you. Now, once you like any of the logos over here, just simply upscale them by choosing number. So I like the second image over here. So just simply press U2 to upscale the second image. Now, all you have to do is just simply open this on a web. So just simply press this web option over here. Then click on visit site and that should open your image right over here. Now, just simply copy the image and open in any photo software like Photoshop or Canva to remove the background, or just simply create a mask. So in my case, I'm going to use a free software called Photopea. So this is the website. Now all you have to do is just simply copy and paste your image right over here. So click on new project. Then just simply choose a canvas over here. And then just simply click on create. Now copy the image right over here. Press allow. And now just simply create a small mask around the logo. But before that, just make sure to fix the name. So just simply choose the ellipse tool over here to make a good circle of the size of a logo. And after creating the circle, all you have to do is just simply choose this option and create a mask, and that will give you a proper logo. And now just simply export this as a transparent background. So all you have to do is just simply delete the background and now you have a transparent logo. So click on file, export, export as PNG. Now you can change the size, pixel and do whatever you have to do over here, and then click on save. Now choose a location and click on save. And now you should see your logo right over here. So I've not changed the name and the font of the logo, but make sure to do that before saving your logo. So that's how you create a logo using AI. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.